southern tip of Korea, where there are all of these little islands. And I think we might be going on a boat tour today to get a closer look. We'll see.
Resident of a mansion with halls I'd never mention and rooms that I don't think I've ever seen. Close the door and bolt it shut, 'cause you're the only one I trust. What can I do to help you feel the same for me? Baby, don't be unforgiving, 'cause I already have no sympathy for myself. And darling, I'd be more than willing to put my cold heart in your hands and give you all I am, 'cause only you could understand what I have felt. I put my cold heart in your hands and let it melt.
So this is a film location set where they filmed a lot of K-dramas and movies. So we're in one section. And like this over here is where we used to, in the old days, bury kimchi in the dirt ground. And actually, when I grew up in Queens, my parents actually did that. We buried kimchi in our yard. can actually go inside. An old set. Oh, look at this. This is like an old style kitchen. Oh, look. Put the fire in here. Oh. Fish. These are all plate storage. So I guess they use this as a set for movies and TV shows when they want to show like old style Korean. You can go inside too. Let's see what's in here. Maybe this is like a restaurant of some sort. Okay. Well, this is big. Oh, look at this.
옛날에 그 모습이잖아. 아, 맞다. 좀 됐죠.
I love like the senior citizens are reminiscing about the old days. Look at this. It's like all the bark and herbs. This is pretty fun.
여기가 장승포예요, 장승포. 네.
호박.
여기가 베스트다. 응? 베스트다. 아.